Hi, guys. Welcome to Me English, where you can learn English the fun way. In this video, you'll practice English listening and English conversation through real life animated dialogues. Today's episode is the first of six following Max, who's just moved to the US. In this episode, we'll follow him as he navigates customs, finds an apartment, and sets up his utilities.
Here's how it works. First, listen to the conversation and try to focus and follow along. Then take the English listening test at the end to see how much you understood. Finally, leave your score in the comments and let us know how you did. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun English practice videos every week.
Hi, excuse me. Can you help me, please?
Sure, what can I help you with?
I'm completely overwhelmed and confused. I can't figure out where to pick up my luggage.
Okay, let's see. What flight did you come in on?
Flight 405 from Oslo.
All right, let's see. According to the board, your luggage will be on Carousel 5.
Oh, I see. Let me check it out.
Can you see your luggage?
Well, I see my large suitcase, and yes, there's my smaller one too.
I'll get you a luggage cart while you grab your suitcases.
Thank you so much. I've got everything now.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yeah, I don't know where to go now.
Next, you'll have to go through customs.
Oh, okay. What do I have to do?
Well, first of all, did you fill out your customs form they gave you on the airplane?
I didn't get one. I must have been asleep.
Here, I have one for you. Just fill it out and then go to that line over there.
Oh, thanks. It says I can't bring any fresh fruits or vegetables in. I have some strawberries I brought as a gift.
I'm really sorry, but you'll have to throw those away before going through customs.
Oh, that's a shame.
Yeah, but you don't want to get a fine, trust me.
Good point. Thank you so much for all your help.
No problem. Enjoy your stay.
Hi, Lisa. So, this is the place?
That's right. Are you ready to go upstairs and see the apartment?
Yeah, I really like this neighborhood so far. I'm excited to see it.
Great. Follow me. As you can see, the hallway is nice and bright.
Yes. Is there an elevator to get upstairs?
Yes, we'll take it now. The apartment is on the fifth floor.
Oh, good. That's pretty far to walk up. I'm glad there's an elevator.
Here we are, apartment 5B.
How many other apartments are there on this floor?
Just two per floor. Here you have the kitchen.
This is a nice kitchen. I like the large windows.
Yes, and it gets great sunlight most of the day. And as you'll see, it comes fully equipped with a stove and a refrigerator.
Great. And does it have a dishwasher?
Yes, of course.
All right. Can we see the rest of the place?
Of course, follow me into the living room. This room also gets a good deal of sunlight throughout the day.
It's lovely. And I think I forgot to ask, does the furniture come with the place?
Yes, all the furniture you see will be here.
Excellent. I really like that desk over in the corner. Is the Wi Fi here fast?
Yes, it's very fast and reliable. Let me show you the rest of the apartment now.
Great. I really like this bathroom. It's pretty big and has a nice big bathtub.
Yeah, and here you have the bedroom. It doesn't get as much sunlight as the rest of the apartment, but it's quite cozy.
That doesn't bother me. I really like the apartment. I'd like to rent it. How much is it? And for how long is the lease contract?
Great. The lease is for 6 months and the cost is $2,000 per month. If you'd like to come with me to the office, we can finalize the paperwork.
Hi, I have a meeting with Karen to help with my utilities.
Hi, yes, I'm Karen. Are you Max?
Yes, thanks so much for seeing me.
Absolutely. What can I help you with?
Well, Lisa, my real estate agent, gave me your contact and told me you can help me set up my utilities in my new apartment.
Yes, no problem. What utilities are you needing?
Luckily, the Wi Fi and electricity were already connected, but I need the gas and water turned on.
All right, what I need you to do is to fill out this form with all of your information with the address of your new apartment.
All right, what else?
And we'll need you to fill out this form where you detail your payment info. We'll need two credit card numbers.
Okay, and how long do you think it will take to get the services?
Well, the gas company can take a little bit longer, but the water should be turned on by tomorrow.
All right, and will I need to be in the apartment?
That shouldn't be necessary, but the landlord can let them in if they need to get in for whatever reason and you're out.
That's fine. And how often will they be billing me?
The bills are monthly and are due by the 15th of each month.
Okay, can I set up automatic payments with you?
Yes, we can absolutely take care of that so you can be assured to have service.
Great. That would be the best, so I don't have to worry about it every month.
Yes, how long is your lease for?
For 6 months, but I definitely plan on renewing it and staying for at least a year.
All right, when you renew your lease, just let us know and we'll take care of keeping the utilities on.
Great. Thank you so much for all your help.
You're very welcome. Please get in touch if you have any trouble with the services.
Now it's time for your English listening test. You'll hear a few questions based on the conversation you just heard. These questions will get progressively harder. Remember to leave your score in the comments. Question 1. When Max spoke with Karen about setting up utilities, how often did she say the bills needed to be paid? A. The 15th of every month. B. Every week. C. The 30th of every month. And how often will they be billing me?
The bills are monthly and are due by the 15th of each month.
Question 2. When Max and Lisa reached the fifth floor, how many apartments did she say were on that floor? Was it 2, A? Was it B, 4? Or maybe it was C, 5? How many other apartments are there on this floor?
Just two per floor.
Question 3. What reason did Emily give Max for why he had to throw away the strawberries he bought as a gift? Was it A, they weren't allowed through customs? Was it B, he forgot his passport? Or was it C, they were spoiled?
I'm really sorry, but you'll have to throw those away before going through customs.
Oh, that's a shame.
Yeah, but you don't want to get a fine, trust me.
Question 4. At the utilities office, which services did Max say were already connected? Did he say that they were A, Wi Fi and electricity, B, gas and water, or was it C, only electricity was connected?
Yes, no problem. What utilities are you needing?
Luckily, the Wi Fi and electricity were already connected. Question 5. When Max first arrived at the airport, which carousel did Emily tell him his luggage would be on? Was it A, Carousel 3, or B, Carousel 5, or was it C, Carousel 7? Flight 405 from Oslo.
All right, let's see. According to the board, your luggage will be on carousel 5.
Question 6. Why didn't Max have the customs form when Emily asked him about it at the airport? Was it A, he was asleep when they handed it out, or B, He lost it before landing. Or was it answer C? He didn't understand the instructions.
Well, first of all, did you fill out your customs form they gave you on the airplane?
I didn't get one. I must have been asleep.
And that's the end of the listening test. Well done! We hope you enjoyed it. And remember to leave your score in the comments.